Welcome everyone. So today we are going to solve a very interesting question which was asked in the exam called as IPM MAT. This is an entrance exam given by the IIMs if you want to do your graduation as well as post graduation from them. Okay. So here now how do we begin this kind of a question? Okay, there is a very simple rule of log which a lot of people don't know. Okay, so let me begin with that first. The rule says that whenever you have log of any number to the base of b, let's say you have log of a to the base of b, which is equal to some value which is called as n. So here we can remove the log by saying that a will now be equal to what? B goes over here and n becomes the index of b. This is the most important rule for this particular sum. Okay, and as it is also whenever you want to solve any of the entrance level log questions, this rule is going to be like of supreme importance. So now using the same logic, I can say that this 5 will go as base over here and 0 will become index. Okay, so we'll have log of x square minus 1 to the base 8 equals to 5 raised to 0 is equals to 1, right? Because a raised to any number raised to 0 will always be what? 1. Now again using the same rule of log, we can shift this 8 on this side. So I will say x square minus 1 is equals to 8 raised to 1. So now I will have x square minus 1 is equals to 8. In order to get rid of get the value of x, we'll get rid of the 1 by adding 1 on both sides. So this is cancelling and I am now getting x square equals to 9. So value of x will be what? Taking square roots on both sides. The value of x can be plus or minus 3. And here the question is the value of x can be option D. Plus 3 can also be one answer for this particular question. So I hope you've understood how to solve these kind of questions. And if you do want me to do more of log questions, please type a yes in the comment section so that I will keep doing these kind of questions more often. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.